Chief Minister N. Biren Singh and Works Minister T.H. Viswajit have condoled the death of 4 women, 3 who died during the recent rainstorm and the one who died of BP stroke after Sikasa vote yesterday. Christians in Manipur today observe Good Friday. Good Friday commemorates Jesus' death on the cross. Governor Dr. Nazima Heptullah and Chief Minister N. Biren Singh have extended their greetings to the people of Manipur, especially Christian community on the holy occasion of Good Friday. Hanuman Jayanti is being celebrated in Imphal, organized by Sri Hanuman Jayanti Mahotsava Samiti, Imphal. Devotees took out procession to mark the occasion at Pauna Bazaar and Thangal Bazaar in Imphal city. Campaigning is picking up for the third phase of Lok Sabha elections to be held in 116 constituencies, spread across 13 states and 2 union territories in this phase on April 23rd. Senior BJP leader and Prime Minister Narendra Modi had public rallies in Bagalkot and Chikode in North Karnataka yesterday. Congress President Rahul Gandhi also addressed a rally at Vantli in Junagadh district of Gujarat. 66% voter turnout was recorded in the second phase of Lok Sabha polls yesterday. Senior Deputy Election Commissioner Umesh Sinha said polling was held in 95 Lok Sabha seats in 11 states and the Union Territories of Puducherry, with Tamil Nadu witnessing contests in 38 constituencies. The Indian Meteorological Department has issued a weather forecast whereby thunderstorm accompanied with gusty winds and lightning and thunder squall accompanied likely to occur at isolated places over Assam and Meghalaya from April 19 to 22. Heavy rain along with thunderstorm and gusty wind at a speed of 40 to 70 km per hour could be experienced at isolated places in Kohima, Peren, Makokching, Longlang and Kifiri district from April 19 to the 21st. The grounded Jet Airways has issued a gag order to its employees advising them to refrain from speaking with external stakeholders. The Jet Airways had on Wednesday suspended its operations indefinitely. At least 205 people have been killed and 913 others wounded in the armed conflict between Haftar's Libyan National Army and the Libyan Armed Forces for the control of country's capital Tripoli.